Look at this for health and safety. So you got this old bus here, the Jeep bus. Look at the kids just on the back, just riding shotgun. Just on the back. Can't believe the kids are just on the back of a fucking truck. Like that.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Chaos. Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro, Port of Calapan. We are here. It's taken a while. Absolutely pissing down, but it's not cold. It's quite refreshing actually. So yeah, it's just taken a two-hour ferry ride from Manila, Patanga, that's it. Yeah, and then here we are. Apparently it's going to be sunny tomorrow. But yeah, pure tourist mode. There's our porter with our bags. We got a car somewhere, so we got a car somewhere. So we're looking for a car, an MG, a black MG. It's 1050. I think that's it. Yeah, so we've got a nice car waiting for us here. Absolutely raining, but it's fine. Oop.
Hey sir, good morning.
Hello, how are you? Yeah.
Hi,
Good morning.
Hi.
How do we?
Thank you.
Up.
Hindi na, sir.
Yeah.
Umulan.
Ha?
Sana po huwag umulan. May mga helmet na kayo ma'am.
Ay, nako. Nandito sa bar.
Nandiyan sa bag.
Dito kami, huwag mag-alala.
Going to get the bike, so I want to get a bike for a couple of days, probably a week. So we're going to pick up a bike. What we got something like a Kawasaki 400 Eliminator, and there's a mystery bike. So we don't know what the mystery bike is, so but it might be a 400 Eliminator. Alright, so we are here. So this is where we are. And these, this is the Eliminator, the 400. And this is the mystery bike. Don't know what it is really, but it's a 250, so we'll give that a miss. We need a little bit of oomph because we've got two of us on it. But yeah, this is going to be our steed for the next week or so. It's got some external lights on it as well. They're very nice, aren't they? Yeah, some road lights. Yeah. And this is where we are. Quite nice, isn't it? I thought it was a 400.
Yeah, that sticker. I told her. I told him to remove the 400.
Alright, so we just picked up this this Rusi. I thought it was an Uzi or something, yeah? But because there's a letter missing. But on this side it's got an extra letter. So it's called a Rusi. And 250 fuel injection classic, very nice. Chinese. Got to make it about an hour and a half, 2 hours, 50 kilometers, 58 kilometers. If it can make it back there, then it can do the loop. If it doesn't make it there, then I'll just phone Mel and she can pick me up. We're abandoning this on the side of the road. They can come and pick this up, give me my money back, and call it quits. Let's see if it gets us home. Alright, so we got some fuel just in the petrol station, and it's made it this far. Let's see if we can get the rest of the 53 kilometers. Come on! Stopped for a pee break, and we're on this mountain road in between Calapan and Porto Galera, and it's just it's just like wacky races, all sorts of things being used on the road. Anyway, here's the little bike that I'm using at the minute, very much like the Mutt. I had a little tweak with this clutch and it's much better. Before it was being a bit of a pain, but yeah, just wacky races. Look at it. Just on a mountain road somewhere. So there we go. It's been raining all morning. I'm absolutely drenched, just from the spray from the road and everything. It's not raining, but the roads are so wet, it's just spraying up. You sit behind a vehicle, a big truck or something, the spray comes up and you just get wrecked. But yeah, welcome to the Philippines.